Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through the one-handed cinch tool from Everhot for PEX Tubing. I'm going to show you how it works, what it looks like, and how to make cinch and clamp connections with PEX Tubing. This tool is made of durable steel construction, has rubber grip handles. It comes with a nylon belt holster, replacement batteries for its LED light, and small calibration tools. This one tool accommodates all clamp sizes for each size of PEX, so it goes for a 3/8 inch, ½ inch, 5/8 of an inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch tubes. There's an LED light that goes off on the side of the tool when your cinch is complete, so when you keep clamping it, it'll go all the way until it's finally done, and then the light will go off so your connection is complete. These are for connecting fittings with your PEX. So you put your fitting in and then put your cinch or clamp, they're called both, over it and make your connection. You have two options with the Oetiker clamps or cinches. There's the no-slip preformed clamp, and then there's the normal one. I prefer the no-slip clamps because you can put them onto your PEX and they won't slide at all, and it makes it much easier to make the connection. There's no special tool for removing stainless steel PEX cinch clamps. You need wire cutters or snips to cut it off, and then the remaining of it can be taken off with a screwdriver or pliers. So that's how you make the connection. It's a very simple process, and also I should add that this tool is very reliable. I have another video that shows you all of the PEX fittings you can possibly use for PEX tubing if you're interested in that. And if you like the video, press like and subscribe to the channel.